Hello guys, we are back to the next lecture. In this lecture, let us go through the basic concept of trees and we'll be discussing the concept of eccentricity guys. Okay, so the main reason I think why this topic has been added in this subject is because there were few PYQPs based on eccentricity guys. So basically most of the topics about trees we'll be discussing in data structures, right? Like binary trees and all those formulas, methods and all those things, right? Yes. So the only concept which I think we did not discuss in data structures is eccentricity concept. I think we did not discuss, but there could be a chance that we have already discussed also. Okay, yes. So basically what is a tree guys? First of all, tree is nothing but a connected graph without any circuit or without any cycle, right? So there will be no closed loops in between themselves. So that is a tree in simple words. Okay, yes. And one more most important thing is only one path between any vertex guys. Any two vertex you take, there will be only one path. If there is another path, means indirectly it is cycle, right? Yes, you got the idea, right? Yes. Okay, so with this understanding you can clearly say that in a tree, if there are n vertices, there will be only n minus 1 edges, because we are not going to allow any kind of duplicate paths and all those things. Okay, yes. And please remember this guys, because this is one of the most popular statement in PYQPs. I don't know, there are around 5 to 10 questions. He will ask like which of the following are true, which of the following is false. So in that most of the time he will repeat these statements. So as this year, from the last year, there are MSQs. There is a high chance that we can expect these type of statements. So please concentrate while reading the statements guys. Okay, yes. Okay, so a group of trees. So basically a collection of these trees. So basically this is a tree, right? So it is connected and there are no loops. So basically in our data structures and everywhere we are drawing rooted trees, but these are traditional trees guys, normal trees. Okay, yes. So group of trees. So if I draw 5 to 6 trees beside each other, so I can call them as a forest guys. Okay, yes. Okay, so now coming to the main concept of eccentricity. So rather than explaining you with respect to theory, let me show you the diagram guys. With the diagram I think I can give you more clarity. Okay, so basically a graph will be given, a tree will be given for us guys. Okay, so now the given question is, so the first step which I follow is, first find what is the distance to the farthest node from your node guys. So assume that you are at A, how far you can go? I can go to B, B to C, C to D, D to E, E to F. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I think that is the longest path which I can go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so I think that's the longest path which I can go. So in that way, start filling it guys. So 5, 4, 3, 3, 4, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. So basically this 5 is from 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 in that way. This 5 is in the same opposite way. Like that. Got it? Yes. So there are some terminologies guys. So here diameter is nothing but the maximum distance guys. So what is the maximum distance value? It is 5. So that is nothing but our diameter. Okay. Similarly in center, like the distance. So if you check from C, you can go everywhere at a maximum distance of 3, right? So I can go 1, 2. With 2 only I can go here. 1 only I can go here. 1, 2, 3 I can go here. 1, 2. With 2 only I can go here. So basically this is the minimumest value, right? Yes. So that is nothing but the radius. Got it? Yes. So now let us go through the definition of eccentricity. Okay. So eccentricity of a vertex is denoted by E of V for a vertex V in a graph G. It is the distance from V to the farthest from I in graph G. E of V is equals to max of V comma Vi belongs to G. Got it? Yes. So just this calculation 5, 4, 3, 3, 4, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. So that value is nothing but the eccentricity of that particular node or vertex. Got it? Yes. So now I hope everyone got some basic idea about this eccentricity and the concept of trees, right? Yes. Okay, so I hope everyone got a clear idea. So in the next lecture, let us discuss the concept about cut set and cut vertex guys. Okay, yes. So let us meet in the next lecture. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe for more awesome videos like this. Thank you.